Yeah, so I see here you have get subscription details in progress, but you also have get saved cards and edit in progress. So which one are you about to wrap up?
I had get subscription details in under review. I don't know if there was an issue with that PR.
I didn't see a PR for that. Did you push one? Did you make a pull request?
Maybe I didn't make, like, I know I pushed it up. Maybe I forgot to PR it.
Yeah, I think there's I didn't see a PR for it.
That might have been on me. My bad.
Okay.
Yeah, nothing here yet. So just shoot that over. I'll place the status as under review. So that you have get saved cards and edit in progress.
You can also put that under review. I'm pushing up my commit and PR for that right now as well.
Okay, so 2 under reviews, and then so save transaction details is going to be in progress for today.
Yeah, I'll start working on that today.
Wonderful. Okay. Well, if you're going to be going away tomorrow, I prefer. Do you think you can actually wrap it up today? Because we're going to have to. There's a good chance we'll have to lateral this to somebody if you don't finish it today.
To set realistic expectations, probably not. I do have a lot of stuff going on because it's the day before I'm leaving.
How about you just? I feel like it's difficult to trade a function integration halfway through. So how about you just finish these 2 pull requests, the right way, and if Adrian, please prioritize Chris's these 2, just so you could immediately get back to him today, and he could do a quick fix if he needs to. And we'll just put this as complete, and we'll also assign it to someone else so that we don't have to worry about missing any work there. Okay. Sangeeth, how about you? You do yesterday, and what are you doing?
Yeah, so as you know, like there was some issues in the current plan. So while merging and yep, we all know that. Okay, so I created a PR for that. So today and yesterday I just worked on that save later key, and I'll create a PR later today. And today I think I need to start working on that OTP related function, I guess. It's
these 2, yeah, send OTP and 2FA login. Verify.
Yeah, that's all.
Yeah.
Send one should be rather easy. I believe we're using something called telnix.
Okay.
You want to poke in with Manan to make sure that you're.
And one more thing that we only have users from United States or all over the country. I mean, all over the world.
Everywhere but China.
Okay. All right.
We want to break into China, but we actually have to block ourselves from them first.
Okay. So one more thing that is what is called telnix.
Yes.
Okay. So telnix has services in every other place. Like I never heard about telnix. I only heard about the Twilio and the SendGrid, some kind of things.
Yeah, I don't know. Manan set that up. I remember setting it up with him a while ago, but he's
all right.
Really the only guy who's familiar with it.
All right.
Yeah. Also, there's already a send OTP in the profile profile modal. So under general TSX. So if you want to just copy and paste that and then modify that to your, to accommodate whatever page you are in.
Yeah.
All right.
Or right here that Adrian and Ernest took care of.
All right.
Okay. And Maxim, I'll do your Scrum for you. Maxim just did a bunch of stuff. That's all I'll say. He's got a bunch of stuff under review, and
Adrian is happy.
yeah, it's Adrian's shop now. It's all on Adrian to review all these. As
He
you
said,
can see, we have almost 40% under review. So we almost have more under review than completed.
weren't we waiting on some things before we had that? From what I talked to you yesterday, there were certain things that you were waiting for from Manan before I took those on, right, Maxim?
Yeah, he needs to update the database to make some modifications.
Okay, so just keep me posted on that then.
Yeah, okay, no problem.
I believe he did though. So
Okay.
he'll be in shortly. Ashutosh will be in shortly.
Oh.
That was really short. Wow.
Oh.
All right, he's here. So did you update the database for this guy?
Not yet.
Okay, never mind. Not yet.
Okay.
So that's some work to do on the back end there. All right, Jomar, how are you doing? What did you do yesterday? What are you doing today?
So yesterday I created the pull request for the save key. Oh no, for the remove key ID. And I also started with getCode. So in
And I
my
know
PR
some of
for
Go ahead.
remove key ID, I also created a PR in the database. It's to fix something related to course. So it's also needed to be pushed so remove key ID can work successfully. And for later, I'll start with getCode.
Gary,
Yeah.
do you have extra chairs? I'll get set up in the cafeteria if it's.
Chair, we can just use this or we can like,
Yeah, I'll set up there.
okay, whatever. Okay. And I know Jomar and Sangeeth and some of you guys, I said that some of your functions would be taken over by Maxim, and some were, but some were given back. Like remove key was given back. So just do another run through these. And Sangeeth, I gave 2FA to Maxim, but then I gave it back as well. And that's because of the concerns you had yesterday kind of shifted priorities. So towards the end of the day yesterday, I had Maxim shift his priorities towards some of the website and overall integration stuff. Okay, so after get code, Jomar, you'll still have remove card for your next task. And JP, how are you doing?
Made a pull request for add or update username earlier. Yeah, and
Yep.
as of now, I'm preparing for integration PRs. I'm just checking them.
Okay, and looks like you got one more here. Have you started update card yet?
Didn't see that. Okay, I'm gonna check that. Sorry.
All right, we'll get into that today. No, that's probably something that I flip-flop back and forth. So we'll just say that's in progress for today, the update card function.
Okay, sure.
And I know I said to prioritize integration QA, and still just be prepared to do that. Gautam to help out there too, just so it's not such a tall task for Adrian to do all the integration QA by himself.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Ernest, good morning. What is your Scrum update for the day? What did you do yesterday, and what are you doing today?
Good morning, everyone. So yesterday I completed 2FA turn off API integration and delete to count API integration. So, 2API turn-off integration is already merged to develop branch, and just left one pull request for the little count API integration. So, all my tickets are completed, and I'm waiting
Okay.
for a new ticket. That's all. Thank you.
Well, here you go. We'll give you the one that we told Chris to not do, so that he doesn't get halfway through one today. So save transaction details for the managed payment. That'll be you, Ernest. I'll mark that as in progress. I was waiting for your under reviews to get closer to complete before I added anything. So
Did you get to check the welcome modal by any chance, Ernest?
Yeah. Let me check about welcome model
Okay,
after Scrum.
sounds good.
Ashutosh, you with us?
Right here, boss.
Um, well, you don't really have a relevant update. So Ashutosh was working on the top secret Black Ops project. So Ashutosh is working on computer vision with Arch. So nothing to worry anybody here about.
Yeah, that's true.
Muhammad, how's your progress coming? Slow and steady on the front end?
Yeah, I'm working on minor issues related to the plan page. So I did a few of them and submitted for the review. So I think so. I tried to complete rest of all the issues related to the plan page, and then you can assign me the new ones.
Understood. Good. And what Kerman asked to be in here. That's why I asked Wasim to be in here. So let's get Kerman in here. And we'll do sort of a round 2 of Scrum where we just talk about
You must still have that question regarding the code and okay. Yes,
Jomar still does.
I'm asking you.
About what? This gets everybody. So you can just talk and use.
Yeah, Jamal, you still have that question about get code and get key details.
Yes, I have a question on the get code. On what is
Yeah, because-
specifically is used for.
In my case, when we click any key, we are pasting that code into the G input. And in key editor, we are giving them code so they can edit it. So it's a 2 different pages.
So if I
The
click a
purpose
row on
that-
so if I click a row in the my keys table, it will paste in G input.
Yeah.
G input from the home page.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay. I don't know where Kerman is, but he like asked me 45 minutes before Scrum, like, when is the Scrum for today? I want to join. So I imagine he wanted to talk to Wasim. Do you have anything for us, Wasim, as far as updates with the subdomain and anything? I guess we can just
Yeah, nothing
get
special
Kerman later.
related to SSL. Just want to make sure you just need to integrate using our URL with the front end to check is it working or not. The authentication thing or data transforming thing is working for front end site as well or not. If it's working, that's fine. Otherwise, you can approach me. You can integrate the backend server with front end websites, so we can make sure it's correctly working or not.
Got it. Okay. And Imam, why don't you humor us? What have you been working on?
He's in here?
Other than the time machine. Yeah. Yeah, he's in here.
What's up, Imam?
Imam, wake up.
Hello, everyone.
What's up, man?
Yeah, good.
I was just gonna send you a message. I was like, where the heck are you?
I was on an office training program 1 week.
Okay. Good to hear from you, man.
Yeah, the program was a remote seaside area. That's why the communication was also
Imam
couldn't
was
manage
chilling
that.
at the beach for a week. That was it.
Yeah.
He was just chilling. Okay, so what are we're working on strings right now?
Now,
For
before
G?
before string, we'll work on the array first because string will use some of the functionalities of the arrays.
Okay. Yep. So slow and steady on the G programming language. We started off working on G24 because that's how all the C languages were called, like C89, C99, and like C11 is C 2011. So we were like, all right, we'll call the first version G24. But by the time we finish it, it's gonna be G25. So there's never gonna be a G24. It's just I guess right now it's G24. It's gonna be G25. All right, well, that's it for Scrum. Let's have everybody working on Arch break out into that strategic meeting after this. We'll get a plan going, and then tomorrow's Scrum will inform everybody else about like the slight shift in work, kind of what's going to happen after function integrations are wrapped up for TernKey. Okay, guys, I'll catch you in that other meeting, and everyone else, talk to you later.
Bye.
Have a good day. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, thank you.
Adrian,
Yeah.
did you integrate the syntax highlighting?
Not yet. It's almost finished.
Okay.
Oh, so it's in a different channel, I guess, the other meeting. So I'll go join them. But do you have any other questions for me?
No. Just taking update.
Got it. Nice to see you.
Okay.
All right.
Bye.
See ya.